You are welcome to my YouTube channel, and this particular video I'll be talking about this particular project called Rubi. Yes, but in this video I'll be talking about this particular Rubi KYC invitation. How you be able to get your KYC invitation, what you need to do, right, and how you be able to get your token migrated to your wallet. These and many more I'll be sharing in this particular video. So sit to it to watch the particular video to the end. We are close to hitting our 4,000 watch hour. Please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so anytime I upload another new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge. I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So you could see it now. A lot of people have actually been mindful like for some 2 years, some 3 years, but for me, I actually started, I think, early last year. Yes, I'm already close to 1 year now, my this particular project, and you could see it now that I have 49 people have actually referred, but 9 are only active, and these are unserious people who are actually not active. And what a lot of people do not know is that the first rule for you getting your Rubi KYC invitation is that you have to be consistent. I'll be sharing the remaining part of it in the later part of the particular video. So congratulations to one of my community member who actually got his Rubi KYC invitation last week. So a lot of people have been getting invitation from Rubi. Yes, using my strategies I've actually shared. All of those videos I'll be dropping it in the description of this particular video. Do well to watch it. So let me quickly show you some certain things you need to do if you have not gotten your Rubi KYC invitation. Let me quickly share you what you need to do and how to be able to position yourself. Don't forget that the first one I say is that you have to be very, very consistent. Make sure you show up daily. And the other one is that when you are choosing country, maybe let me say my mining section has ended. If you are choosing, like say Abuja, for example, be consistent and be continue to choose that look. Don't choose Abuja today, Nigeria tomorrow, Kenya next tomorrow. No, you are confusing the algorithm. So let me quickly take you to some other things, because today might be your unlucky day of getting invitation. I will share what I know to you. So this is that my community member is saw this in his notification. He said KYC invitation has been sent to you. Please check and complete the KYC step to achieve it. So I've been saying something that the information you will fill on your Rubi has to do with the same thing that has to be on your maybe your NIN. Everything has to be the same thing, which I will also be talking much about it in this particular video. So after receiving the notification, he went on his Rubi app and checked notification, and you could see still say the same thing here. You say KYC invitation will be sent to you. Please check and complete the KYC step to achieve network partner certificate. So let me quickly show you something where you can actually see this notification if you actually receive it, or where to actually check it always. So for now, this is my Rubi let's say I've gotten the information. When you come to this particular aspect here, this bell, you tap on it. That is where you'll be able to check your notification. You see, I won't be sent any notification. That is where you'll be able to see it, and you're able to tap on it and to do your KYC. So after that, if you check your setting, you see that this three icon has been checked. That means you need to move forward to the next phase. And one thing a lot of people did not know is that don't even delay. Immediately your KYC verification have been set. If you receive the KYC invite, please complete the process ASAP. You need to just complete the process immediately. You need to do it. So after he submitted every document which he needs, the snapshot and filling his KYC details, you can see drop it in on our group. He said just submitted my Rubi KYC tonight. Do well and be consistent so you could be invited for KYC. Was advising other community members, and in less than 1 hour now, he sent this particular message to us that in less than 1 hour he has been approved. What he's waiting for now, it is his coin migration. You see, say congratulations to our esteemed partners, miners of Rubi Network. So he was able to get KYC immediately in less than 1 hour, according to him. So a lot of people have been asking me that how many Rubi do they have to have. See, you just need to buy Rubi, not your mine Rubi, because this is a lot of questions that a lot of people have. Not your mine Rubi that you use for your KYC. You need to buy Rubi. My WhatsApp community link is in the description of this live video. Do it to join. I have my channel who is actually selling Rubi. You could see it now. This is to choose priority level. You see, we have 4 Rubi. That's what I'll be telling you. I say just have between 3 to 5 Rubi. We have 3, we have 2, because this Rubi will be going to a validator that will actually validate your KYC process. So you can see, say allow resubmission 5 times, queue in less than 100, expect result time is at least 4 hours. But if you're able to use this particular one, which is the 4 Rubi, you'll be able to get your Rubi KYC done immediately. And compared to somebody that actually use 2, it will take much longer time before you actually get KYC. So my suggestion is that always use the maximum, which is that for, and this particular 4 Rubi is around let's say 300 naira now. I think it's not much money that you should just be denying yourself. So get your Rubi now ready for your KYC. So if this was helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so get in time. Thank you and bye bye for now.